Yes, okay. Hello, my name is Reginald and I'm from Norwich. This is my dance tape audition, take 1. I have been dancing for many years, just locally, you know. Excuse me. So let me show you what I can do. The worm. So yes, I'm quite adept at that one. I can also do the
What are you doing?
no, excuse me, no, I'm recording. This is a dance tape audition. Can you please go? Go. Thank you. So sorry. As I was saying, I can also do the snake. I'm rather good at that one, yes.
I can dance.
No, excuse me, what are you doing? No, who are you? Hey, who are you? Go. Sorry. Yes, I can also do the funky chicken. Yeah. Yes. Hello?
I can dance.
No. Who are you? What are you doing? This is my dance. No.